Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'm taking a little trip to LA. So I thought I would do a little what's in my suitcase slash pack with me video. So I'm going to be there for 5 days, 3 full days and then 2 travel days. I definitely overpacked though. I brought about 12 shirts. So we're going to get into it. I am a chronic overpacker. So first I brought some jeans. I don't know if I'll wear these because it's going to be pretty warm, but we'll see. And then I have this tank top from Target. And then I have the Brandy Melville Connor tank in I think 3 colors. I packed it in blue, I packed it in green, and I thought I packed it in white, but maybe I'm wrong, so I might have to add that. My cat has now decided to join me, so, oh, okay. I think she wants me to leave because now she's just laying on my clothes. Okay, but I did think I had my white tank in here, but I guess not, so I'll get that later. And then I have this skirt from, I believe, TJ Maxx. It's just this like floral maxi skirt. And then I have this top from PacSun. I have this lace top from Hollister. I have got this tank from Brandy. And then I have this t-shirt that I thrifted. And I just thought this would be nice in case I want to wear a t-shirt instead of a tank top one day. And then I have this other like tank top. This is also from TJ Maxx. It's kind of a similar pattern to the skirt, but it's like a slightly different color. And then I have another tank top, and this one is from American Eagle. I found the white Brandy Melville tank. Here it is. And then I also have 2 tube tops packed. I have this red one, and then I have this black one. Then I have these kind of softer pajama pants. These I'm just gonna sleep in, or I might wear them home when I come back home at the airport, but I just thought I would bring those. Then I'm not gonna unwrap this all the way, but I have a Green Day t-shirt just because, again, I don't know what I'm gonna be feeling each day I'm there, and I might decide that I want to wear a t-shirt instead of a crop top. In addition to that, I have a 21 Pilots shirt for the same reason. Then I have these blue linen pants. I just thought these would be cute in case I don't feel like wearing a skirt or a dress or anything like that. I had everything so well packed and now it's all over the place. But then I have this. It's a long dress. I'm not going to unwrap it just because it is going to be hard to get back in here. But this long dress. And then this one is shorter and it's kind of a similar pattern in blue. And I believe that that is everything for my clothing. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be trying to post more videos, like me going to the airport and then just what I do in LA. I will also be posting on TikTok. I might be posting a bit more frequently on TikTok during my trip, and it will probably be a bit more up to date as these videos might be a few days behind. But thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!